How to use SafeDNS review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. SafeDNS is a cloud-based DNS filtering service designed to protect networks from malicious websites and inappropriate content. But beginners often make mistakes that reduce its effectiveness. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not configuring DNS settings correctly. Most people get this wrong by leaving default SafeDNS servers active. To secure your network, replace them with SafeDNS primary and secondary servers on routers or devices. Second mistake, ignoring filtering policies. You won't believe how many users leave default settings, exposing devices to unsafe content. Customize policies based on categories, user groups, or time restrictions for maximum protection. Third mistake, not testing the configuration. The surprising truth is that DNS changes may not propagate instantly. Always test devices by visiting block sites to ensure filtering is active. Fourth mistake, neglecting reporting and monitoring. Beginners often forget to check logs or reports. SafeDNS provides insights into blocked attempts and user activity review, these to adjust policies or identify potential threats. Finally, not using SafeDNS across all devices is common. Protecting only one device leaves the rest vulnerable. SafeDNS at the router level for whole network protection or configure it individually for mobile devices and computers. Using SafeDNS properly means configuring DNS servers, customizing policies, testing setup, monitoring activity, and applying protection network-wide. Avoid these mistakes, and your network will be safer, faster, and much easier to manage.